Ironbull FLG is an absolute beast among the deckovers in our trailer lineup. Built rugged and made to last, this low-pro trailer is by far our most popular HD gooseneck model, and its versatility appeals to contractors, hotshots, oil industry professionals, and everyone in between. Let's dive in by getting to the heart of this trailer. This low-pro monster boasts a 12-inch by 19-pound per foot I-beam pierce frame with 3-inch structural channel crossmembers. This design results in a 37-inch deck height no matter what length you choose. Running underneath your deck is a heavy SCH40 constructed torque tube to reduce trailer twisting under heavy loads as standard. This is no thin-walled decorative pipe. We also include underframe bridge as standard to increase overall rigidity. You might think that all the extra enforcements might lead to a rough ride, but rest assured that you will have one of the best towing trailers on the road, since our 2021 and up tandem dual trailers are equipped standard with Dexters adjustable HDSS suspension system. That is directly comparable to a Hutch suspension system, all riding on 8 235 80R 18 radial tires. With standard stake pockets, pipe spools, rub rails, and D-rings, we make securing your load easy as well as safe by equipping each Ironbull with two 16-inch front side steps, as well as our new integrated side step. These trailers are available in 20 to 40 foot lengths, and all decks are topped with 2x6 treated pine with steel, rough oak, and blackwood floor as an option. While a straight tail with slide-in ramps are standard, by far our most popular tail option is our rampaged ramp system. These impressive ramps are 5 foot long and are supported with a massive spring assist system that turns a chore into a walk in the park. Our rampage ramps can be towed in 2 positions, offering maximum cargo flexibility. We also offer 5-foot dove with slide-ins, or configurations of 2 flip-over ramps or even 3 flip-over ramps. Let's move to the front of the trailer. For quick connection, we offer a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler and 36-inch by 3/8 gauge safety chains rated at 26,000 pounds. All neck and risers are also 12-inch, 19-pound I-beam construction, secured by a massive 27 by 22 3/16 inch thick gusset that ensures your gooseneck will not fatigue over time. All wiring is in a sealed harness and runs inside the tubing frame for the ultimate protection against the elements. All trailers are equipped with full LED lighting. You'll also be getting 2 10K drop leg jacks and a massive front toolbox with gas shock dampening, along with a free spare tire and mount standard with every tandem dual gooseneck. What better way to beef up your trailer than upgrading your axles? And we've made sure we covered it all by giving you dual 10K, 12K, and 15K axles, as well as 10K and 12K triple axle configurations available with our standard electric brakes or electric over hydraulic or air brakes with either drum or disc brakes. We even offer lift axles. With tons of standard features and ample options, as well as an industry best ironclad warranty offering 3 years structural, 2 years component warranty, as well as 2 years of free roadside assistance that extends to the tow vehicle, we are certain this bull is the right beast for you. So to learn more about our FLG lineup or any of our other Ironbull trailers, head on over to our website by clicking the link in the description down below. You can stay up to date on all of our videos and content by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.